Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Fanika and this is Fanika TV. So today I'm going to be doing something a little simple. It's also something that is made very often in Jamaica, and I'm going to be trying it for the very first time. It's Grater cake. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing before I do anything else, I'm going to be setting up. I'm going to set up the file paper to set. So I'm going to set the coconut, the grater cake pan. So I'm going to set up my file paper. That first thing that I'm going to be doing, set up my file paper. Let me keep here. Set up the file paper to set it on. The file paper. Hey guys, this is how I set up the file paper on the table. Just to show how I set up the file paper. I already peel off the back of the coconut. So when you make the grater cake, guys, you peel off the brown off of the coconut before you grate it. So yes guys, stay tuned. Going to be showing you guys how Jamaicans make coconut cake. So stay tuned. Guys, I just want to show you. This is the thing that I use. It's called potato peeler. Me use to scrape off the brown part off of the coconut. And now guys, we're going to grate our coconut. Let me grate on the coconut. So yes guys, remember to like the video. So yeah, if you're watching the video and you like the content, please like the video, subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and just starting. It gets soft when you back in the pan. Soft, okay. Okay, how we put that there? You soft. Why place hot? Make a eat turn up. Hey guys, like up the video, share up the video. Alright guys, I finished grater the coconut. Finished grater everything. Now I'm going to be adding granulated sugar in it, right? Because we want to keep the white color. We don't want to people don't wash me ear in a dirty at the gel when we use. So yes guys, if you reach this far in the video, please like the video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And guys, I myself, I make the coconut cake for me. I make it for myself for my YouTube channel. I'm not selling the coconut, the grater cake. So not tell me say this no hygienic, cause I'm gonna eat it. And then my finger kind of rub off. So yeah, guys, we're gonna add the granulated sugar. We now add 2. You want to have a good amount of sugar in it, guys, so that's it drying up better, because a lot of people don't know that sugar is used as a binding agent. Like it binds 2 things together. When it gets hot, it gets sticky. I love a lot of sweets, and we're going to be also, we're going to put the almond spice in it too, because it give it a nice flavor, a nice little smell. Guys, you see, if you're using almond and red water, anything that has color, you don't use it on the white part of the coconut. You use it on the part that you're going to put the coloring on, because if you do, it will change the color. So yes guys, this is how you mix it. So you use your hand and you mix the sugar in with this. So you use your hand and you mix it in. So that means that everything come together, and that will determine and tell you if you need more sugar, right? So you mix it in with the sugar. Okay guys, then you go put it down. Okay, more sugar in it. Yeah, I will leave it too. I will leave it to soak. Cover it up. I will look about the fire now and show you how they make it. Yes guys. So yes guys, we are going to be adding the grated coconut to the pot. Adding it to the pot. And the trick about this, guys, you cannot leave when you do this, if you decide to try it and you never do it before, do not leave it on the pot. Keep always mixing, because if it burn, you're not gonna get the white color what you want. So do not leave it by itself. Keep on stir it and stir it until the sugar melts and you have a syrupy look. I'm going to show you guys how, but I just want to explain to you that when you're making this Jamaican pastry, not left it by itself. No, don't go, oh, I put it in a pot, I gonna go sit down. No, you have to always overeat. It come like caramel porridge. You always have to just monitor it at all times. So yes, guys, overeat and you keep on stir it. That's it, don't burn. Cause if it burn, you're not gonna get a little pretty white color. But you see, where you see other people have a sale on roadside, you're not gonna get that color there. Remember, guys, to share up the video, like up the video, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I add little more sugar to the pot. And keep on and stir it. Keep on stirring it. That will not change the color. Right? Keep on stirring. And this is a famous, it's my first time making it. So I want me to spoil it. So yeah. Let's go. We're doing it wrong. Hey guys, you continue mix it. Well, no, so you continue mix it. The color you not change. And you continue mix. Continue mix it, guys. Oh guys, I'm having corn for dinner. You eat corn? And some nobody like eat corn. I think this is our first time never eating a life. But you see, I eat my dinner, I still have to mix the same way because I don't want to burn. Because if it burn, I have to get a little, the nice white color. I want to get. I have to constantly. I think I go for one more corn. Corn, nice. Hey guys, I go for one next corn. Corn is just nice. I cook it down in our meat. Oh, that's all. It's juicy. Oh. We'll store up with pot. See? Hey guys, we still a store up with pot. You can time it and know when you fish stir. And when you can't, you know, that's just time. Everything want me to do on my YouTube. I first time I try make them myself. Yeah. I will see my mother make them, but I try make them myself, you know. If you reach this far in the video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, so this is how it looks. Yeah. So how it look. Every time you see it fry like this, guys, you make sure you say that they are story. I see no burn. So yeah guys, we are come to the finishing. So just go and store a little. I make it melt, make it the sugar and it come and the coconut combine little more. You know, before we'll do anything else. The first part I done, we will take it off of the fire. Take it off of the fire. Make it burn. You get burn. Last, we go last in my phone, you know. Last in my phone. You know, I'm going to wait. Okay guys, we're going to sit, make it and the I'm going to see. I'm going to show you when you sit it. See, we can sit in a square. I want to square like I'm not the neatest person, so I try to see if I can sit it in a square. So I get lost in a TikTok. I'm going to pick it. Although I can just take out the part, yeah. Oh yeah, try to get my finger. I think I have trouble, you know. Happy here. Bun it up, bun me up. So yeah guys, I try to fix it as neat as I can. I don't have one leaf. Fix it. And then I go use the rest of the rest I were in a pot and make the coloring to put on it up. Guys, this is how it's here. I try to straighten it, press it down. That's when it set it here, so. This is the bottom part, right? Yeah, that is so. Try to set it good. pretty good. So while that is set now, guys, while this is set, we're going to use what left in the pot. We're going to add vanilla, and we're going to add my coloring, my red coloring in it also. So yes, guys, I'm going to add my vanilla to the other part to make the red part. I'm going to add my vanilla for taste. So vanilla is, it's just for tasting, just to give it a nice little taste, a nice little smell. It doesn't really do nothing else to it. I'm going to add my red coloring. And then we're gonna mix it up and put it back on the fire. We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna mix up back the red in everything. Mix it. We make the something at the top. So yeah guys, the red part finished now. So this is the white part. We're gonna add the red part to it. I'm gonna add the little because if you just go on top, so I'm just gonna add the little. It's my first time trying this thing. I'm doing it based on what I see, you know, others do. So, you know, nothing try, nothing done. So guys, is it? Some more the red part on the top. And to me, I don't know why I'm not so neat. But it tastes good. It tastes really, really good. That's why I have to love YouTube, you know. YouTube make me challenge myself. I come out of my comfort zone. Guys, I spread the red all over and make it set. A little bit more red somewhere here, so we'll make it set and then we do a taste test. You know? We're gonna do a taste test. This here it is. Have more? So much in that pot, yeah? Nah, dash way. Nah, waste. We have put everything on it, guys. Nah, waste nothing. Press it down. And make it go and set. And come together. And make it set and come together. Hey guys, I'm gonna make it set and come together. And then we're gonna do a taste test. Yeah, we're done. So Yeah guys, this is the finishing. Not so neat. Like like the other one then, but it tastes good. Yes, even when I this guy make sure you use vanilla and your almond. Can bring up the taste. It tastes good. Sweet. You don't have to put as much sugar as I remember. As much sugar as I put in there. Okay. So if you are not subscribed, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Become a part of the Fanika TV family and just spread love. And never be afraid to try new things because this to me this tastes better than the one I buy from people. It maybe not as neat as with them one, but something about me and the coloring. But tastes good. Bye guys.